Showing you the fake sun, impossible light. This is a family full of demons. This is the curse operating over Caucasian people who are stalking. 9 Mary Charlie Edward 547. The original venue, the original location on that side of the parking lot. The fake sun moves with me. That's a family of demons, and they're going to be subject to martial law. They fill the state of California. These are the curse that give birth to demons. Those demons are monitoring the day that they come out of the demon-possessed females that are gang stalking. This is a population of creatures who are dressing themselves up, in other words, as though they're normal human beings, and they're gang stalking. They're obsessively doing so, and they give birth to demons that are mentally ill as well, baby psychopaths, okay? And they're engaging in this psychopathic behavior, and I just want you to see the difference and look at the previous video when I'm down there. The fake son is stalking, and so are the people of the state. And he is indeed stalking while Impossible Light moves across the brick wall, and he has a car full of minors that are engaging in criminal activity, and they're also demons. So I just want to be clear, that's the level of the pattern of conduct that's underway amongst the population. P.O.C. This is the, also by the way, 7:38 a.m. This is the entity that has at the Coin Laundry. That's Impossible Light. That's 48152 Apple 3. That's the entity that's gang stalking businesses that are tampering with food, delivering food in the business of food, and they're monitoring, and they're demons. And the entity has the fake sun over me at this Coin Laundry as a matter of history, the sunset. Okay, this is just giving you an example with regard to where I'm at, because this is all the pattern of conduct. And by the way, it is 7:38 a.m. I'm in Fontana at 7:30 on video, and Amazon Prime is flying over my head. Psychopathic pacing, stalkers. That's audible activity, psychopathic pacing. 8ZGR 398. Impossible Light dragging on all the ground. This is the mentally ill. They're going to be subject to martial law. All right. When demons give birth to kids, it's a threat to national security. They give birth to psychopaths. They're mentally ill by virtue of their condition. All right. They're born cursed, and that curse includes what is mental illness that is of a spirit. And as you're seeing, it's criminal activity because it's surveillance by the government. They're stalking. That's license 8YNC 992. She's going to prison. All righty. You already know that she's stalking. I'm not in your way. You're coming this way to engage in the pattern of conduct. She's going to prison anyway. That's the serial stalker from Stater Brothers. And this is pacing. He's just pacing. Going back and forth up the street. This is the pattern of conduct, but I do want to be clear, the entity has the fake sun over me. Just to give you an example, at 7:30 in Fontana. That's how you know 8YNC 992, that's the cursed womb who is triggered, so that's why she came to this side, because that's exactly how I described her. She's a cursed womb, and if anybody is even impregnating her, if any demon is impregnating her, she would be giving birth to demons, okay? This is the entity that's gang stalking with their minor children. License 9EME176, and driving, just like you saw in Upland, does not cause any sunlight to ricochet off of any wall. These are stalkers. They're monitoring, and so is the entity that's stalking by plane. And where the entity is stalking by plane, they're doing so under a fake sun. Those are those that are incompetent. They are suicidal. They fly planes and helicopters into buildings, into each other, into skyscrapers like on 9/11. They do so into bodies of water, and these are acts of terrorism. They're not accidents, and they're also not emergencies that are unanticipated. This is what the demons are doing while they maintain this surveillance system. This is POC. It is currently 7:40 a.m. This is documentation regarding what is martial law that's going to apply to everyone, every household. They won't be going to school. There is no exception. The children are not less threatening. The children are fully engaging in the criminal pattern of conduct. They are equally mentally ill. They are trained up in the psychopathic way of life with regard to maliciously targeting as a society, and they're doing so in the shoes of the government. This is informing the way in which the demon-possessed, the terrorist, the entity itself is going to be treated under federal law. This is POC. Ontario Plaza Apartments is stalking while this crossing path is ongoing, and light is moving across the apartment. Just like what you saw in Walmart, just like what you saw in Upland. 9ENY639 is indeed stalking. That's POC. It is currently, that's a mentally ill population. This is a mentally ill population. That is representing what is inside of Stater Brothers. That's representing what's inside the library. That's representing what's flying Southwest Airlines, what's wearing military uniforms, sex offenders and stalkers, mentally ill people. POC, the demon possessed.